Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Doesn't really look a lot different from the outside. The height of the pots is a little bit higher, but that can always be adjusted. Yeah, it's basically the same. I in the process lost one of those screws, but I don't think it really matters that much. But the real difference comes from the sound. So I'll show you that real quick. Alright, so I think you hopefully can see this. So this is rhythm pickup, and this is the pickup that I had the variable split on. And as you can hear, there's a little bit of hum. Hopefully you can hear that. But if I roll the humbucker to the humbucker, the hum goes away. It's kind of faint, but so this is just a screw coil. Volume on 10 for the rhythm. Alright, so now let's go full humbucker. So as you can see, there's a lot more punch. It's almost like a boost or something for like Eric Clapton's mid boost that he has on a Strat, something similar to that. Yes, you can have a lot of different tones with that. And now for the treble pickup, I wired this with the 50's wiring. So this is with tone on 0. Alright, so now tone to 10. Alright, and these, I replaced the pickups with Bourne's 500 500k ohm pickups, or excuse me, pots. They're a lot smoother. They're much easier to turn. They seem to have brightened up the sound, which is nice. Because these, I think this is 490. This is 498 or something like that. Whatever came stock with it, and they're kind of muddy. So I fixed it, and now I'm gonna try the kill pot, which is something I installed as well. So that works, which is good. There seems to be some crackle or something when you click it. But that might just be a grounding issue or something. I'll fidget with that if it bothers me in the future. But everything works. There's a lot less hum. As you can see, it's basically silent, which is good because when I basically up until this point, it hasn't been that way. There's no buzz, no hum. Yeah. Thank you for watching.